Welcome to English class. Today's our agenda is essay on Draupadi Murmu. Draupadi Murmu is an Indian politician belonging to the Bharatiya Janata Party and served as the governor of Jharkhand, a state in eastern India. Now she is our current president. She was born on June 20, 1958, in a small village called Kusumdihi, situated in Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. She is the first person belonging to the tribal community and also the second woman after Pratibha Patil to hold the office. Her father Biranchi Narayan Tudu was a farmer. Her father and grandfather were traditional heads of the village council. Her family named her Puti Tudu. She was given the new name Draupadi by her teacher in school, and she was raised in a simple home. She is a member of the Sautal tribe, one of India's largest native populations. Despite the difficulties, Draupadi Murmu graduated from Bhubaneswar Utkal University and was an outstanding student in her studies. She began her political career as a member of the Indian National Congress before deciding to join the BJP in 2002. From 2014 until 2018, she was a social worker and the Minister of State for Revenue and Disaster Management in the Navin Patnaik-led administration of Odisha. Ramnath Kovind, the Indian President, appointed her to the position of Governor of Jharkhand in 2018. Since she was the first tribal woman to hold the position, her selection as governor was a significant turning point in Jharkhand's history. Draupadi Murmu has made a huge impact on Jharkhand as the state governor. She has participated actively in campaign to advance tribal culture, heritage and traditions. She has also played a key role in establishing initiatives that support female business and empowerment. She is a well-known figure in Indian politics who fight for the rights of women and tribal groups. Her journey from a small village in Odisha to the office of President of India is an inspiration to many young girls from marginalized communities. Draupadi Murmu is a remarkable woman who has overcome various challenges to achieve a significant milestone in her career. Her contribution to Indian politics and her efforts toward the welfare of the tribal communities and women are commendable. She is a symbol of hope for millions of people who aspire to bring about positive change in society. If you like my video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe.